Dear students, welcome to 10th Standard Social Science Online Examination 7. I have given the links of previous videos in the description. Four choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer. Francisco de Almeida implemented blue water policy to establish supremacy over land, establish supremacy over the sea, establish supremacy over sky, establish supremacy over both land and sea. Second one, during the Second Anglo-Sikh War, British were opposed by Chattar Singh Attariwala and Mool Raj and Lal Singh, Chattar Singh Attariwala and Ranjit Singh, Mool Raj and Lord Dalhousie. Third one, the military system was redesigned as per the recommendations of Peel Commission, Governor General's Executive Committee, Charles Wood Commission, Hunter Commission. Fourth one, the British attacked Kittur under the leadership of Colonel Deacon, Campbell, Meadows Taylor, Thackeray. Fifth one, before his visit to Chicago, Swami Vivekananda had visited Mysore during Chamaraja Wadiyar 1, Chamaraja Wadiyar 10th, Chikkadevaraja Wadiyar, Krishnadevaraya Wadiyar. An immediate cause for the revolt of 1857 was Doctrine of Lapse Policy, Inam Commission, Introduction of Royal Enfield guns, Industrial Revolution. Seventh one, the freedom fighter who had faith in the rule of British and judiciary were moderates, radicals, revolutionaries, socialists. Eighth one, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 15th August 1948, 30th January 1948, 26th November 1949, 26th January 1950. When India was celebrating its independence in New Delhi, Gandhiji was in Sabarmati, Champaranya, Ahmedabad, Naukali. Tenth one, Sardar Patel was called as Iron Man of India because he provided independence to India, he integrated the princely states, he solved the refugee crisis, he became the first Home Minister of India. 11th one, leader of African National Congress who fought against the practice of apartheid in South Africa was Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King Jr., Abraham Lincoln. The biggest two democratic countries of the world are India and USA, India and Pakistan, India and China, China and USA. Two major incidents that provided more strength to human rights are American War of Independence and French Revolution, American War of Independence and Unification of Italy, Unification of Germany and French Revolution, American War of Independence and Unification of Germany. 14th one, the term of judges of International Court of Justice is 5 years, 10 years, 9 years, 2 years. 15. According to this article, providing social justice and welfare of the people is the duty of the state government. Article 38, Article 39, Article 40, Article 37. 16. Human society is formed on natural inequalities. This natural inequality is based on division of labor, was said by Plato, J.S. Mill, Rousseau, Montesquieu. 17th one, Dr. Shivram Karanth opposed the establishment of Sardar Sarovar project, the Mangalore refineries and petrochemical plant, Kaiga nuclear power plant, special economic zone of Mangaluru. 18th one, Prohibition of Child Marriage Act came into force in 2006, 2001, 2005, 2007. 19th one, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is located in Karakoram Range, the Lesser Himalayas, Kangra Valley, Outer Himalaya. 20. The western side of the Western Ghats heavy rainfall because the Bay of Bengal branch strikes the Western Ghats, the Arabian Sea branch strikes the Western Ghats, the Indian Ocean branch strikes the Western Ghats, the Bay of Bengal branch strikes the Eastern Ghats. 21. The soils that found in the uplands of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats are desert soils, mountain soils, laterite soils, red soils. 22. The silt-like roots which are submerged under water are the main feature of mountain forests, mangrove forests, scrub forests and grassland, the tropical evergreen forests. 23. The east flowing rivers of South India are Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, Narmada, Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, Tapi, Kaveri, Krishna, Narmada, Tapi. 24. A method of farming carried on in areas which receive scanty rainfall and where irrigation is either absent or limited is called plantation farming, dry farming, mixed farming, humid farming. 25. The first largest producer of rice is Brazil, China, India, USA. 26. One among the following port is on the west coast of India: Ennore, Paradeep, Marmugova, Haldia. 27. Indian Iron and Steel Company ISCO is located at Burnpur, Bhadravati, Sundargarh, Durgapur. 28. It occurs occasionally in peninsular India. Landslides, coastal erosion, earthquakes, floods. 29. Per capita income is calculated as national income divided by total income, total population, total production, total supply. 30. As per 2011 census report, total population lived in villages is 58.84%, 65.78%, 67.64%, 68.84%. 31. This type of account is generally opened in banks by the persons who have a fixed regular income. Savings bank account, current account, term or fixed deposit account, recurring deposit account. 32. The history of consumer movement began in United Kingdom, India, US, France. 33. The collector and political agent of the British in Dharwad was Krishnaraya, Thomas Munro, Colonel Dickon, Thackeray. 34. Vernacular Press Act was enacted to curb the independence of the independent press, curb the independence of speech, curb the independence of information, curb the independence of opinion. 35. Mahad and Kalara movement was formed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru. 36. A movement wherein both Hindus and Muslims participated in a nationwide protests was Non-Cooperation Movement, Jallianwala Bagh Movement, Khilafat Movement, Civil Disobedience Movement. 37. The port that located on the coast of Andhra Pradesh is Paradeep, Haldia, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata. 38. After the 73rd Amendment to the Constitution, total levels of Panchayat institutions that have come into existence is 3, 2, 4, 5. 39. Postal Bank of India function with a network of post offices, State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, regulated market corporations. MCQ number 40. The real beginning of the consumer movement was started in India in the year 1989, 1965, 1975, 1980. Dear students, let's move to answers. First MCQ, correct answer is option B, establish supremacy over the sea. Second answer is Chattar Singh Attariwala and Mool Raj. Third one, a Peel Commission. MCQ number 4, correct answer is option A, Colonel Dickon. MCQ number 5, option B, Chamaraja Wadeyar 10th. Sixth one, correct answer option C, introduction of Royal Enfield guns. Seventh one, option A, moderates. Eighth, option B, 30th January 1948. Ninth one, option D, Naukali. 10th one, option B, he integrated the princely states. 11th one, option B, Nelson Mandela. 12, option A, India and USA. 13, option A, American War of Independence and French Revolution. 14, option C, 9 years. 15, option B, Article 39. 16, option A, Plato. 17, option C, Kaiga Nuclear Power Plant. 18, option A, 2006. 19, option A, Karakoram Range. 20, option B, the Arabian Sea branch strikes the Western Ghats. 21, option C, laterite soils. 22, option B, mangrove forests. 23, option B, Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna. 24, option B, dry farming. 25, option B, China. 26, option C, Marmugo. 27, option A, Burnpur. 28, option D, floods. 29, option B, total population. 30, option D, 68.84%. 31, option A, savings bank account. 32, option C, US. 33, option D, Thackeray. MCQ number 34, option A, curb the independence of the independent press. 35, option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. MCQ number 36, correct answer is option C, Khilafat movement. MCQ number 37, correct answer is option C, Vishakhapatnam. MCQ number 38, option A, 3. MCQ number 39, correct answer is option A, post offices. MCQ number 40, option B is the correct answer, 1965. Special congratulations to those who have scored more marks.